Hey, what's up guys, Srazz here back with another video, and in this video we're going to test the audio quality of the vlog microphone from Maono, the AU-CM10 model. So without any delay, let's get started. So I'm directly connecting this vlog microphone to the laptop so that I can test my audio quality directly. So plugging it into the audio jack with the actually this adapter is not required if you are directly connecting to the laptop, the TRS to TRS adapter. So let's directly record the audio, and if you want I can enable the fan so that we can understand the noise level in the room, how the wind foam is used to reduce the noise. So without the microphone on, with the built-in microphone of the laptop, I'm testing this audio. Hey guys, this is the audio from the inbuilt microphone of my laptop, and you can hear the noise from the fan. It's capturing all the noises. So that is the audio clip, and now I'm going to test the audio with the microphone on. Hey guys, this is the audio from the vlog microphone by Maono. You can hear that the noise has been reduced by a significant amount. So let's test the same microphone without the noise right now. So I'm reducing the noise in this room. Hey guys, this is the audio directly coming from the vlog microphone. The noise in this room is now reduced. So if you think that the noise in the room is quite low already, you can directly remove the wind foam and you can directly point the audio microphone to your mouth directly. So the source of audio will be directly captured into the microphone. For in instances where you think the noise is coming from the top, so you don't want to point the microphone to the top, in that case you better point the microphone projected from the top so that it captures the audio in this range and neglect the surroundings audio. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs, and if you love this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next one.